Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Master Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. To do this, you just need to go to the table where you want to delete the grid lines, and after that go to View, Show, and after that go and uncheck grid lines. And as you can see now, the grid lines disappeared from your table. And if you want to show them back, you just need to go to View again and go to Guidelines and check it. And as you can see, the grid lines appeared again on your table. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.